So good morning, class 6 children. So today we'll continue with sample paper 1. Yesterday we discussed few of the questions of this sample paper. So question number 22, 23, 24 and 25. That is that these chapters are not coming. So we'll be starting with question number 26. What is composting? What are its benefits? Kindly switch on your cameras. So simply you have to tell what is composting. Yes, Puneet. Tell Puneet.
A process in which the kitchen waste or biodegradable waste is converted into useful manure.
Okay, that is known as composting. What are its benefits?
It not harm our environment and it is made easily.
Okay, very good. Yes, Kashvi, the same question number 26.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, compost is used to improve soil structure through the addition of carbon and provide plant nutrition.
Okay, good. So children, this is beneficial for us. How it is benefit? One benefit is that waste is decomposed. Waste get decomposed, and second benefit is that it does not cause pollution. Kindly write down, does not cause pollution. Okay. And
कौन सा क्वेश्चन करवा रहे हो?
see the tick on question number 26.
Okay.
What are its benefit? So one benefit is does not cause air pollution and soil become fertile. Kindly write down the answer of this question. Definition of composting, you know. So first is does not cause pollution, and second point is increases soil fertility. Increase soil fertility. Okay. So these are the benefits of
Composing.
yes, benefits of composting. Next, question number 27 is P, Q, and R are the three gaseous components of air. Gas P and Q can dissolve in water of rivers, lakes, and seas. But gas R does not dissolve in water. The organism S use gas I dissolved in water to make their food by photosynthesis. All organisms living in water use gas Q dissolved in water for releasing energy from food. Gas R is a major component of air. So children, if you want, you have not understood, kindly read this paragraph again, and we need to give the answers of these questions. Name the gases P, Q, and R. Kindly raise hand. So which gas P is?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, tell what gas P is.
Ma'am, the gas P is oxygen.
Okay, gas P is oxygen. Afterwards, what about the Q gas?
Ma'am, the Q gas is carbon dioxide and R gas is nitrogen.
Very good. Carbon dioxide. And afterwards, the gas R is, the name R is given to nitrogen. Next, I hope it's clear to you how she has guessed, because P dissolves in water. P dissolves in water. Okay, that you know, oxygen dissolved in water and it is used by the animals. Q, carbon dioxide. How she has guessed that carbon dioxide is used by the photosynthesis, and nitrogen, R, how it was guessed, that was a major component of the air. So name these gases P, Q, R. Next, B part. What are the organism S called here? See, organism S use the gas. So what does S stands for? Tell me.
Ma'am,
For this.
water.
Water?
Aquatic.
Yes, S is for aquatic. Aquatic animals.
Oh.
Aquatic. Okay. देखो ना यहाँ पे लिखा
Ma'am,
हुआ है
because
S
the
uses the gas. S uses the gas means S कौन है? Aquatic animals. These
yes,
animals
ma'am.
uses the gas.
Yes,
Aquatic
ma'am,
animals.
ma'am, because they need oxygen dissolved in water to make their food.
Yes, that's why. Okay. Next is, so I think it's clear. This is answer of your question number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, in the paragraph it's written the organisms S use gas P dissolved in water to make their food by photosynthesis. Ma'am, but the aquatic animals do not make food by the process of photosynthesis.
No, animals never make the food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay.
So, ma'am, why it's written here that to make the food by photosynthesis?
Organisms SR use gas I dissolved. Wait, beta, for a second. Like organism S uses the P dissolved in water for the photosynthesis. Let me see, beta. I think we are doing wrong. Okay, both the
Ma'am,
gases.
are they?
Both
Ma'am,
the.
I think the
हाँ, बोलो.
aquatic plants.
Yes, aquatic instead of plants. I was saying the same thing. Instead of animals, here it will be plants. So you can write down S is for aquatic plants. Okay. Next is name a gas like R which does not dissolve in water. आपको बताना है कौन सी गैस जो है?
Nitrogen.
Yes, nitrogen. Very good.
Ma'am, but here R is nitrogen only.
No problem. Nitrogen we are writing. R is already we had written that is nitrogen. State two more features of gas R. So gas R is nitrogen. We need to state any two more features of it. So first feature you can write down. Do you know?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, the nitrogen does not dissolve in water and it is a major component of air.
Okay, does not, write down, does not dissolve in water.
मैम थर्ड फीचर ये हो सकता है मैम नाइट्रोजन डज नॉट सपोर्ट फायर.
Yes, burning. Okay, second you can write down does not support burning. And one more we can write down, number 3. Used for the growth of plant. Used for the growth of plants. So children, 2 feature has been asked. So we have written the 3 features. So kindly write down the answer of this question number D part. I want each one of you to write down. ये इसका answer है. All 3 points are there. So let's continue with question number 28. What is water cycle? Name any 3 major processes involved in water cycle. So children, see to it. We are on question number 28. We are discussing about. First of all, I want each one of you to write down the definition of water cycle, and major 3 processes involved in it. Okay, kindly write down. After that, how are clouds formed? What is groundwater? Children, you are not able to write down the answers of these questions over here. So kindly write down the answers in the page and afterwards you can paste it. So you have written the definition of water cycle. Then name the 3 processes. Kindly raise hand. 3 major processes involved in water cycle.
Ma'am, evaporation.
Evaporation. 3. You have to name 3.
Ma'am, can I?
processes. Yes.
Ma'am,
First is,
condensation, evaporation.
and one is
Ma'am,
what?
evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
Yes, precipitation. Condensation, evaporation, and precipitation. Write down the 3 processes.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of precipitation?
Okay, let me write down.
Ma'am, can I tell the definition of water cycle?
Precipitation. You can write down. Wait for that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the definition of water cycle?
No, let's move to the next question now.
Okay, ma'am.
How are clouds formed and what is groundwater? Already we had done this question in the back exercise. When does evaporation occur? This is the answer of this question, number C part. When does evaporation occur?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, the evaporation occurs at the first stage of water cycle.
Okay. First of all, the evaporation occurs. This is the first step of water cycle. Or you can write down, it occurs at all temperatures. You can write down this.
मैम वाटर की मैम बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है?
When water start boiling, you have seen that after some time when you put the water in the frying pan, it start boiling after some time.
मैम उसका कितने डिग्री सेल्सियस पे मैम वो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है?
100 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Okay.
Next, write down question number, come on, question number 29. How do plants and animals help each other in exchange of gases? Yes, Aditya Prohit. Naman Sharma.
Ma'am, can I tell Aditya Purohit?
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, animals, plants help to each other by this, that animal release carbon dioxide, which plant breathe and use for photosynthesis, and then the plants release oxygen, then the animal inhale and it maintain the
Balance.
gases in the
Atmosphere. Okay, very good. Good. Next, B part, state 2 activities that are possible due to the presence of air. So children, you performed various activity during the activity time. The activities possible due to the presence of air. Simple activity, flying of kite. What else? Kindly name few of the activities.
Then flying of burning.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, usage of windmill.
Yes.
Ma'am, sailing of yacht.
Yes.
Ma'am, parachutes.
Yes.
And ma'am, aeroplanes and
Aeroplane return, birds return, selling of yacht. So all these activities.
ma'am, and it's and helps very much in water cycle.
Yes. So kindly write down all these activities. which are possible due to the presence of air. Next. One more you can write.
Ma'am, I have a query.
Yes, beta.
मैम अगर हवा नहीं होती तो मैम ये एरोप्लेन उड़ नहीं पाते.
No, not possible. Even we can't survive. Okay.
Okay.
Next, question number 30. You are given a test tube labeled A, another test tube labeled B. Paste of some food substances give the test. Or this question
Mom, this is
is
omitted.
not there.
Ma'am, this is omitted.
Okay, this is omitted. So kindly children complete question number 28 and 29. Okay. With this, your sample paper 1 is over. Rest will be taken tomorrow.